Welcome to a mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs. Today I'm going to try and explain to you why the label on your gearbox does not match the label on our gearbox, even though it looks exactly the same. So, as you can see, I've taken a couple of full door locks as examples. You can clearly see that this door lock here has a different code to this door lock here, and both those codes are different to the center gearbox here, which is the one you will be using to replace. The reason for this is that the codes on the full door locks here are to designate which full door lock has been made, in this case by Mako, but it's exactly the same for different makes of locks. So when you are looking at replacing the center gearbox, quite often people say, oh, my code is different on the door lock to the one on your gearbox, even though it looks an exact match. In this scenario, you will see that the gearbox used here as a replacement is exactly the same across both door locks. The important measurements that we give you on our dimension drawings, as you can see, are the size of the lock, the back set of the lock, which is taken from the faceplate to the centre of the spindle hole, and the screw fixing holes. You can see these are identical on all these locks, and the replacement gearbox will fit and do the job and will be a perfect solution to your situation. That is why quite often when people are looking, the labels do not match up, but it really is not to worry about. Hope that's been useful, and thanks for watching the mini tutorial from Upvc Spares for Repairs.